to another edition of Tuesday Tent Talk. I'm Heather Frank, and this is Mike Fitzwater. Hi, Mike.
Hi, Heather.
Thanks for joining us today.
Welcome to Special Events Virginia.
Yeah, we're very excited to be here. We're actually here for MATRA Spring Training, and guess what today is? It's the first day of spring.
Is that? We're ready for the spring training tomorrow. We have over 100 attendees coming to our facility for education, tours, seminars.
And
so
food.
We're really looking, and food. Don't forget food.
And lots of networking, that's why we're all here. We do have a great schedule of events. I jotted a couple of things down just so I could kind of promote the MATRA Spring Training. They're talking about Stretch It, which is more job safety, stretch and flex. Sell It, so from the call to the actual order. The site visit, tools from
the first visit to install, things you'll need from when you first go to the site to all the way through the install. We have different tools here.
And then Prep It, we actually tomorrow get a tour, as well as today, we're going to get a tour of the warehouse.
Absolutely.
What you guys do, soup to nuts.
Absolutely, that's where I come in. I'm going to take everybody on the tour tomorrow afternoon of our 76,000 square foot facility here. And today, apparently.
Yeah, yes, today we're going to get our steps in.
So.
And we're building a keto style tent tomorrow?
We are. We have that. We have fortunately enough space in-house that we can do that indoors as well.
Oh, we're erecting that right inside.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Right, sweet.
So.
And then we're also having a seminar on cleaning it from the buffers or whatever.
Yeah, Steve from Tico is back there. We may run into him on the tour as well as we go through it.
Yeah, so that's great. We're excited to be here. So tell us a little bit about your business. What's your structure? Like, what is your go-to, or what's your niche?
So we've been in business for 35 years. Our business is relying on corporate customers, on wedding customers, on festivals, and we have a little thing called the Naval Base over there. So we do a lot of work at the Naval Base for change of commands and homecomings as well.
Great, and you guys have a new casino going in, don't you?
About a mile from my store, Rivers Casino opened up in January, and they're doing gangbuster numbers. So if you come to spring training tomorrow, come drop some money at the casino as well and help the city out.
Yeah, that's perfect. Well, thanks so much for having us, and if you don't mind, we'd love a tour.
Let's go on through. Come on.
Great, so we're in, how many feet did you say you have it?
76,000 square feet. We're in the aisles where we've got the vendors set up for tomorrow all the way down. And right behind me is my brand new toy, my brand new sports car, my dishwashing machine. So just installed and almost working correctly. So hopefully we'll be knee deep in the dishware, flatware, and china chargers pretty soon. So you guys come on down this way. So here's part of more than the 20,000 chairs that we keep in stock. We do a lot of graduations, college graduations locally, and different style chair, your basic workhorse, the white Sam. We also have about 2,000 of the white wood look, a redwood look, and then your crossbacks and Chivari chairs all the way around.
So out of curiosity, these ones that are wrapped, you clean them at the end of the season, you wrap them so you know they're fresh for this season, or is this how you always do it?
We clean throughout the season. Okay. So a lot of times they'll come back, they'll be inspected and then cleaned and wrapped, you know. So yes, now it's easy. It gets a little bit of thing. In a little while I'll show you our chair washing process, what we have to do to keep chairs in great condition. So we've spent a lot of time in material handling and how we touch things and not want to touch things, and so we come in and have carts built for tables, pallets for chairs. We handle things forklift through the warehouse, flatbeds, and then on site we have 2 Tenoxes that run around job sites to get product there as fast as we can, as most efficient as we can. So as you notice, this is our pipe rack that fortunately looks clean and organized and well painted for the season. It's important for us, our location of our pipe rack is real close to our 4 loading docks, so we can minimize the amount of time picking pipes one at a time. We we've also taken in on some of our larger tents that we do for festivals. We will box up side poles, 9/4s, leg poles, and forklift them onto flatbeds as well. Just anything to get the number of poles out to the job site and then be able to move them to efficiently set up. So the crews right now are loading up block and roll blocks that are going out tomorrow. I think we have 100 blocks going on a 25 10x10 setup at Waterside for a wing cook-off this weekend. But we couldn't do it without the block and roll blocks and block and roll system. So a lot of what makes us different is in this portion of the warehouse right here, which is in our cleaning facility. So we saw a picture of the chair washer along with the dirty chair. We haven't gotten to wash yet. Over to my right, we have our Tico 3000 machine. It's actually setting up for a set part one. And then over to my left, we have our hanging bays where we hang the wet product to dry on beams. So we have 6 racks per bay, and we have 3 of them dedicated to just drying wet tents to keep our inventory fresh.
So one of the things that Brian was pointing out earlier is that you have a PVC pipe.
We do. That's a aluminum I-beam covered in a 6-inch PVC pipe in individual winches. So sometimes we need to tilt the edge of the tent top so that water will run off of it, and so that allows us flexibility. I've seen systems with one crane that raise and lower at the same time. This gives us great flexibility to put out to dry tent top in the way we need to dry it.
These are the things that these tours help people with, right? You come into somebody else's warehouse and you see how you're doing it, and you're like, wait, I could do that in my own warehouse.
I think so. I wish I had come up with this idea, but I actually copied it from somebody else that I was on a tour years ago. I saw what they did and put my own little twist on it and modified it, and that's where we got this. And when people come in and they want to get into a tent washer, the drying is always the thing of interest. So when people come, the drying bays garner the most interest.
All right, Mike, well, thanks so much for giving us a tour. This is a great facility, and it's really cool to see the things that you've done and other people can do based upon the knowledge you're sharing with us, so we appreciate that.
Always happy to host spring training, always happy to have Heather from Fred's Tents in the building as well. So thanks so much for being here, and we look forward to a great day on Tuesday the 21st.
Yeah, tomorrow should be, or today, should be a great day. So if you were unable to make this year's spring training, make sure to check us out for next year, wherever MATRA is going to hold them. They actually held 2 this year, one on the West Coast and one on the East Coast. So make sure to check it out next year and get involved, because everybody's going to walk away with some usable knowledge that's only going to help the industry. So thanks again. I greatly appreciate it.
Always a benefit. Thank you.
And if you have any ideas for us at Tuesday Tent Talk, please just shoot us an email at wemaketents.com. And we look forward to seeing you in the near future. Have a great day.
Thanks.